Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, so coming back to this, so what I was saying is we are going to start with, you'll ask the question, sir, in the 3 weeks session that we are going to have it on ethical hacking, are we going to be an hacker? See, we are actually here to learn what is an ethical hacking, but we are here to learn the same, right? We are not here to do it the attack on someone else, right? So we need to try to learn the ethical hacking, and then at the same time we need to make sure that we need to be protect ourselves from the hacking, correct? So let me start by saying what is an ethical hacking. So if you ask me, is ethical hacking good or bad, so I'll say hacking is not bad. Why it is not bad? Because you are actually knowing a thing till the depth so that any flow or any vulnerability can be found, right? So finding something is not wrong, right? For example, you have a TV, and say in TV you want to know how the TV works inside, that what are the ICs used, or how is the entire work is done. So nothing is wrong. Yes, everyone. Yes, it's a request to everyone, please mute your mic, do not turn it on. If you have any questions, you can type it in a chat box, and I'll reply it. Okay. Yeah. So coming back to what is ethical, I was speaking about, and hacking. So hacking is not wrong. So hacking is only wrong if you do it for wrong purpose or wrong deeds, right? So knowing something is not wrong provided you are not doing anything wrong. Okay. So hacking means to know a thing till the depth so that if there are any flaw, or I can say if there are any vulnerability, that can be found. Okay. So ethical hacking is nothing but the act of finding into a system or network to find it, what can be the threats, or what can be the vulnerability, as I said, what can be the flaws into the system, and then you can try to overcome so that a major attack can be avoided. Okay. So this is what about the ethical hacking. So now the next question comes, who is an ethical hacker? Okay. So who is an ethical hacker? An ethical hacker is a person who actually hacks into the system just to try to make the system stronger, right? For example, somebody comes to you and tells you कि please try to break my system. आप जितना तोड़ सको तोड़ो मेरी वेबसाइट को, right? The only reason is you want to make it stronger, and if you say okay, I will do it for you, and then you will try to make that system strong by doing an attack and then telling if there are any flaw or if there are any vulnerability. Okay. So ethical hacker is a skilled professional who has excellent technical knowledge and skill, and he also knows how to identify and how to exploit the vulnerability into the system, right? So we call it as an ethical hacker because he is doing the same thing for good work, right? So in simple term, it is a person who does this to identify that if there are any vulnerability or if there are any flaw into the system, and then trying to make it very strong, correct? So now let us go to the next slide and let us see what can be a type of hackers. Hackers kitne type ke hote hain? So I'll be trying to explain much of the content in English, and in some part, if that I feel कि नहीं, if Hindi sounds better in this case, I'll use the word in Hindi. Okay. So I hope our audience are able to understand both the languages, English and Hindi. Okay. So coming back to the types of hackers, you can see there are various hackers you can see on your screen. You have white hat hacker, you have black hat hacker, you have gray hat hacker, you have red hat hacker, hacktivist, and a script kiddie. So let us start each one of them one by one. The first one is the white hat hacker, right? I think somebody's mic is on. Please mute the mic. Yeah. So the first one is the white hat hacker. White hat hacker मतलब एक अच्छा बंदा जो अच्छा काम करता है, right? He is the white hat hacker or you can say it's an ethical hacker, they are the people who test the infrastructure. मतलब वो infrastructure check करता है to find if there are any loophole in the system. अगर कोई system में loophole है तो what they will do, they will break into the system and then they will try to strengthen them. मतलब वो system को तोड़ता है बस अच्छे कामों के लिए. So that kind of an hacker are the white hat hackers, right? White मतलब अच्छे काम करता है. उसका opposite है black hat hacker. Black hat hacker मतलब they are the people जो तोड़ते हैं बस गलत कामों के लिए, right? So they are the people who are responsible for all that is wrong with hacking. ठीक है? So इन लोग क्या करेंगे, ये आपके सिस्टम को ब्रेक करेंगे with the negative intentions. और एक बार ब्रेक करने के बाद they will try to steal your credit card information, they will try to alter the database, and their main intention is to gain money or to gain fame, right? वो क्यों करते हैं? पैसा बनाने के लिए. So because of that they does an attack, right? So this one is a white hat hacker, मतलब अच्छा बंदा, और black hat hacker means the one who is actually hacking for wrong deeds. ठीक है? तीसरा टाइप का अटैक है जिसे हम कहते हैं ग्रे हेड हैकर्स. अब एक हो गया व्हाइट हेड हैकर, एक हो गया ब्लैक हेड हैकर. ग्रे हेड हैकर ये बीच वाला बंदा है, मतलब दे हैव मिक्स्ड इंटेंशन. अब मिक्स्ड इंटेंशन बोले तो मतलब इट मींस they does not have a good intention like a white hat hacker. At the same time they do not have a bad intentions like a black hat hacker. मतलब क्या करता है, मतलब they will break into the system but for their own benefit. मतलब क्या करेंगे, they will break into the system और फिर जाके बता भी देंगे कि भाई यहाँ पे तुम्हारी गलती हुई है तो प्लीज जाके आप रेक्टिफाई करो, राइट? एंड इन एक्सचेंज दे विल आस्क फॉर कि भाई मैंने आपको ये बताया है, अब प्लीज मुझे उसके अगेंस्ट कुछ पैसे दे दो. That are called as a gray head hacker. So one is a white hat hacker, one is a gray head hacker, and the person who is between the white hat and black hat, we call it as a gray hat hacker. उसके बाद fourth one is the red hat hacker. हाँ, अभी ये नया कंसेप्ट जो है रेड हेड हैकर और रेड टीम आजकल बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहा है, राइट? अब ये रेड हेड हैकर क्या करते हैं? रेड हेड हैकर दे एक्ट टुवर्ड्स ब्लैक हेड हैकर. मतलब जो ब्लैक हेड हैकर होते हैं, जो गलत काम करते हैं और जो जिनकी सोच है कि गलत करना, व्हाट देयर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू डिस्ट्रॉय एवरी एफर्ट ऑफ एन एवरी बैड हैकर अटैक, राइट? उसका काम क्या है? देयर इंटेंशन इज टू डिस्ट्रॉय any efforts or any attack that is done by the black hat hacker and to bring their infrastructure down. Okay, so their main intention is to break the black hat hacker ताकि black hat hacker कुछ attack ना कर पाए, right? So red hat hacker would be to look out for a black hat hacker, intercept it, and at the same time hack into the black hat hackers system. ठीक है? तो ये होता है रेड हेड हैकर. उसके बाद होता है हैक्टिविस्ट. हैक्टिविस्ट मतलब क्या? दे आर लाइक अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल और दे आर ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोटेस्टर जो दुनिया में गलत हो रहा है उसके अगेंस्ट वो लड़ाई करते हैं, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस आर द पीपल से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ सडनली देयर इज व्हाट यू कैन से, देयर इज if they want to increase the fare of say auto or a taxi, so this kind of a union they will stand up to protest and then they will try to show that what they can do. Okay, so they are like a group of protesters. They want to make their attention by marching on the street. So this type of a hacker will break into the system to ask for social attention. Okay, so they will there to ask for attention towards social cause. ये होता है हैक्टिविस्ट. और लास्ट वाला होता है स्क्रिप्ट किडी. स्क्रिप्ट किडी आपके और मेरे जैसा है, मतलब दे आर अ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू अटैक द सिस्टम. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे यूज द एग्जिस्टिंग कंप्यूटर स्क्रिप्ट, मतलब जो एग्जिस्टिंग है, एग्जिस्टिंग टूल्स है, या कोई यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देख लिया कि कैसे अटैक करते हैं, या कहीं से पता चल गया, or at the same time or the else they might attend some seminars or the webinars where they will learn some attacks or some techniques, and then they will try to hack the computers of others, right? So they are called as script kiddies. मतलब they do not have the expertise to write their own scripts, but then they might use some existing computer scripts or code to attack the others. Okay, so these are script kiddies. Now, what is the reason of understanding? Because we should know, since we are learning ethical hacker, we need to understand that what kind of an hacker do exist. ठीक है, चलो, तो ये हो गया हैकिंग के पार्ट का. अब हम नेक्स्ट लास्ट स्लाइड में चलते हैं, उसके बाद हम पहला और दूसरा अटैक करेंगे. मैं बताऊंगा कौन सा अटैक है और हमने कैसे किया है. बट बिफोर दैट, व्हाट आर द फेसेस ऑफ एथिकल हैकिंग? Now, when an ethical hacking is considered, there are 5 phases of ethical hacking. Okay? Ethical hacking के 5 phases होते हैं, which every hacker follows. That is the reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining an access, and last one is the covering tracks. ठीक है, चलो अब समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Reconnaissance मतलब क्या? Reconnaissance मतलब this is the first step of hacking, which is called as gathering the data. ठीक है, मतलब मुझे जो विक्टिम चूज करना है उसके बारे में मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन गेन करनी है. So I'll try to gain as much as information possible in reconnaissance about my victim. Okay, to give an example, let me take an example in the real world. So for example, if there is a thief or if for example एक चोर है जिसको चोरी करनी है किसके घर पे, तो सबसे पहले क्या करेगा? वो आइडेंटिफाई करेगा विक्टिम को. हु कैन विक्टिम बी, राइट? सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू आइडेंटिफाई who my victim be. The reason being, you cannot directly attack anyone, right? You need to identify or you need to gain much information about your victim. Why? The reason is obviously, for example, अगर कोई चोर है जिससे कोई चोरी करनी भी है, तो what he will do is he will not only directly target a victim, he will find out the information. For example, कभी आपने देखा है चोर ने कोई गरीब या जिनके पास पैसे अवेलेबल नहीं है उससे घर पे चोरी की हो, राइट? You will never see, right? He will do the thief, और वो चोरी तभी करेगा जब उसको पता चलेगा कि ये जो मेरा विक्टिम है, ये मेरा जो विक्टिम है, वो विक्टिम के पास मुझे बहुत सारा पैसा मिलेगा, राइट? इफ आई ट्राई टू ब्रेक और इफ आई ट्राई टू डू चोरी इन दैट हाउस, मैं उसके घर पे जाके चोरी करूं, तो मुझे चांसेस है कि मुझे बहुत सारा पैसा मिलेगा. So first thing is to identify the information. First thing is to identify my victim, and then I'm supposed to identify whatever I could find about the victim. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई वांट टू टारगेट अ विक्टिम, तो वो विक्टिम कहाँ पर है, विक्टिम के घर पर कौन कौन है, हु आर द पर्सन्स हु आर देयर एट द होम, फिर कौन कब घर पे रहता है, कब घर से बाहर जाता है, कितने बजे कोई आता है, कितने बजे कोई जाता है. दिस ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द मोर इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव, the easy will be your chances to attack into a system. ठीक है, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे पता है कि घर में 3 लोग रहते हैं, मॉम डैड एंड एक लड़का है उसका. देयर आर 3 people who lives in. There is a person who goes for a job, say probably from 9 to 5. Dad है who works in an office, part time job he does it from say 10 to 4, and there is a mom probably who goes to a temple from 11 to 1. So can anyone identify which is the best ideal time to attack? Okay, anyone who would like to write it in a chat box? I want to make this session interactive, right? नहीं तो ऐसा हो जाएगा मैं बोलते जाऊंगा एनो मजा नहीं आएगा, right? If somebody can type if what can be a suitable time, superb, very good. So Ansari, Deepak, Mahima, very good. Anushka and everyone, superb, yeah. So अगर आपको अपने see how smart you are. Just by giving some information, you could identify that which is the ideal time to attack. 11 से 1 का जो टाइम है वो टाइम पे घर पर कोई नहीं है. अगर मुझे पता चले कि 11 से 1 का टाइम अवेलेबल नहीं है, डोंट यू थिंक इट विल बी अ बेस्ट टाइम फॉर मी टू अटैक? So first thing is reconnaissance. Reconnaissance or called as footprinting, where you are supposed to identify much information about your victim. ठीक है, एक बार आपने इंफॉर्मेशन फाइंड आउट कर लिया, उसके बाद सेकंड स्टेप होता है मेरा स्कैनिंग. ओके, so what is scanning? Scanning is again one of the important before an attack take place, where you explore the weak point of the application. मतलब you will try to find out what are the weak points, right? For example, मुझे पता चले कि मुझे घर पे तो मुझे चोरी करनी है, but he always keeps the window open. सो डोंट यू थिंक अगर मुझे एंट्री करना है तो बेस्ट वे इज टू गो बाय क्लाइंबिंग थ्रू विंडो एंड एंटरिंग इनटू द हाउस? अगर मैं दरवाजे से जाऊंगा तो मुझे दरवाजा तोड़ना पड़ेगा और हो सकता है सभी को आवाज आ जाए, बट अगर विंडो ओपन है तो व्हाट विल हैपन इज आई विल बी एबल टू एंटर इट वेरी क्विकली. सो दैट इज द एंट्री पॉइंट. सो दूसरा होता है स्कैनिंग. तीसरा होता है गेनिंग एक्सेस. नाउ व्हाट इज गेनिंग एक्सेस? गेनिंग एक्सेस मतलब वेयर द एक्चुअल हैकिंग टेक्स प्लेस. So it is the time where the hack gets successful, that is the hacker gets successful in gaining the access to the target system, right? So this is the phase where the hacker actually gets the target system, maybe using any method, maybe using the tools and techniques, right? So जैसे हम यही एग्जांपल लें, अगर चोर को एंट्री करनी है, उसको पता चला कि मुझे विंडो के थ्रू एंटर करना है, वो क्या करेगा? वो अपने साथ या तो सीढ़ी रखेगा, एट द सेम टाइम ही विल ट्राई टू मेक श्योर ही हैज a rope to climb, so he'll try to somehow gain an access. Okay, so gaining access is the actual place where he is supposed to gain the access to a system. Fourth is to maintain an access. Maintaining access means if I gain an access, I want to make sure कि at least मैं वो access maintain करूँ, ताकि next time जब मुझे आना हो तो मुझे आराम से आ सकूं, and at the same time I should be able to maintain an access for 2 hours of time. मेरे पास 2 hours का time है, in that 2 hours of time मुझे चोरी करके वापस निकल भी जाना है. अगर क्या होगा मैं 2 घंटे में चोरी नहीं कर पाऊँ तो obviously if I am not able to do within 2 hours of time, there are chances I might get caught. Right? So after gaining access, I'm supposed to maintain an access as well. And last one is to cover the track. Covering the track मतलब मुझे कोई भी सुराग नहीं छोड़ना है. Just assume that मैंने चोरी की है and suddenly what actually happens is कि मैं अपना मोबाइल फोन भूल गया. क्या होगा? मैं घर पे गया, चोरी की, निकल भी गया, but I forgot my mobile phone at in the same house. So what I want is मुझे कुछ भी सुराग नहीं छोड़ना है. That is called as covering tracks, right? So these are the 5 steps. It means मुझे कोई भी सुराग नहीं छोड़ना है. अगर मेरे से छूट जाता है तो मैं पकड़ा जाऊंगा. So these are the 5 phases of ethical hacking. That is the reconnaissance, scanning, gaining an access, maintaining an access, and the covering tracks. ठीक है? So this is how the same way these are the 5 phases which an ethical hacker uses. Okay, so I think we have probably 4 minutes left. So I'll request everyone that we'll after the session gets over, you all are supposed to log in with the same credential, that is the username and the same passcode and the meeting ID, probably after 10 minutes. The reason being, this video will get converted and it will take some time. Probably it will take 5 minutes or 7 minutes. So again, we all can meet again in next 10 minutes. And after that, we will start with the attack, the first attack that we are going to start with, right? So before that, okay, Ritoban says voice is sound is getting cut in between. Now it is correct or it is still happening the same way?
So your voice is clear.
Clear.
Might be
Okay.
that might be problem from your side.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah. So we'll again meet up probably after 2 minutes of time, and then we are going to see what are the various attacks happens, how this attack happens, and then we are going to see how can we protect ourselves from the same. Okay? So meanwhile, if any one of you have not mentioned your name, roll number, and department, are supposed to do that. So next 2 minutes, all are supposed to join back in 10 next minutes. Last 1 minute is left. All those who are left, please kindly write it fast. Your name, yeah, your division and your roll number, please.